Hello, everyone. Are you wondering how to train a dog to sit? Let's explore. Training a dog to sit is one of the most basic and useful commands, and it can be done using positive reinforcement. Start by holding a small treat close to your dog's nose to get their attention. Slowly move the treat upward, causing your dog to naturally lower their bottom to the ground as they follow the treat with their head. As soon as your dog's bottom touches the ground, say the command sit and give them the treat along with plenty of praise. Repeat this process several times in short training sessions to reinforce the behavior. With consistency and practice, your dog will learn to associate the word sit with the action and will respond to the command even without the treat. It is important to be patient and keep training sessions short and positive, especially for puppies or dogs that are new to training. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.